Deprotonation of an alkyne. Remember that an alkyne is sp hybridized, meaning it has a 180-degree bond angle. So that would be improper. That is how you want to draw it. You should see 4 carbons right now. Yes. But I can't do that because one of these has to be an H. Okay, 3 carbons now. Why could we deprotonate an alkyne and not normally an alkane? That's because when you take off this H, you're going to put a negative charge on an sp hybridized carbon. That orbital is lower in energy, it's more stable, and that's going to be possible. The base you'll typically see to do this is NaNH2. Split that up into cation and anion. NH2 is a really good base because once it does grab a proton, it will turn into ammonia, NH3 gas. It will leave the system and I'll push the equilibrium towards products. Plus it has a full negative charge on the N. It's not a very happy N. He wants his proton. So you're going to start at the lone pair. Well, it's 2 lone pairs. The lone pair on the N, take the proton. The 2 electrons that I really poorly drew here in this bond are going to land on this carbon. You will get a carbon with a minus. Yeah. Triple bond. I'll draw the other carbon for you there. You deprotonate an alkyne. Well, why is this important? Because this is the carbon nucleophile. This will help you make carbon-carbon bonds, and once you get to your retrosyntheses, these are going to be super important. So this is a nucleophile. Some electrophiles you can smack with it are an epoxide that's poorly drawn. A carbonyl. There's a delta positive on this carbon here. You can use an alkyl halide. That's your electrophilic carbon. Yeah. That's your electrophilic carbon. This is your electrophilic carbon. That's your electrophilic carbon. With this nucleophile, you can go ahead and go in there, go in there, go in there. That makes a new carbon-carbon bond. That's really important. You can't do this with an alkene or an alkane. If you don't want that triple bond in your product, toss some hydrogen gas on palladium and carbon, and you can just have a regular CC bond. But it's probably easier just to do this with a green yard.